Choosing the best Pennsylvania workers' compensation attorney to represent you can turn into an internet beauty contest, bad referrals from friends and family, or just choosing the one who has the best website. At the end of this video, I will tell you the magic question to ask any lawyer you're considering to represent you. Their answer could either save or cost you thousands of dollars. There's a whole bunch of very qualified lawyers here in Harrisburg that do workers' compensation work. But why take a chance that you might miss the most qualified and the one that gives you a sense of trust and security? If you are watching this, you probably realize that taking on the team of insurance agents, their attorneys, doctors, nurses, and healthcare professionals puts you at an immediate disadvantage. You need a teammate. I'd like to take just a moment to tell you what to look for when you're trying to get the right workers' compensation lawyer in Pennsylvania to work with you during this very stressful time. There are a number of lawyers who can say, "I'm the best," and I wouldn't disagree. That's because I feel the same way about myself. Good lawyers should always feel that they can measure up to their clients' expectations. So what traits do the best workers' compensation lawyers of Harrisburg possess? Well, they are: 1, experience. You as an injured person obviously want someone with a lot of experience dealing with workers' compensation cases. 2, honesty. As any lawyer, I know that many people feel negative about trusting my profession, and that's mostly perception, not fact. Like any other profession, there are lawyers who take some shortcuts, but the best workers' compensation lawyer will never do that. 3, communication skills. We make our living communicating with our clients, with insurance agents, and in the courtroom. Understanding and communicating are very important skills in the lawyer you choose. 4, success rate. How can you tell how successful a workers' compensation lawyer is? Well, the best way is to do a Google review and see what others are saying about the specific lawyer. You can also ask for testimonials by past clients. Number 5, commitment. Is the lawyer committed to getting you the best deal possible? Since we get paid for the successful outcome of your claim, you can be pretty sure we will do our best and represent you 100%. Those are important traits to consider when choosing an attorney. Add to that the feeling that you trust them. If you can check all those boxes, then you're on the right track. But I'd like to add 2 additional characteristics to that list that I think separate me from the rest. Strategy. I spent the beginning of my career in workers' compensation working on the other side of the courtroom. I represented the employer and the big workers' compensation insurance companies here in Pennsylvania. Here's what that experience gave me. I have an insight into almost every strategy the insurance company and their lawyers will employ against you. Think what that does to their strategy. I pay every expense for medical records, depositions, manuscripts, and other resources needed for your case. These costs can total thousands of dollars. There are some firms that will pledge their time and expertise for free. However, they will choose not to pay your expenses, but rather pass them along onto you. The reason is if they lose the case, they cannot collect their costs, and they don't want to lose their own money. Here is my promise to every client, both past and present. I will pay all your expenses for your case. If we lose and cannot collect the costs, then I will accept the loss and you will never receive a bill from me. Ask the firms you speak with to make that guarantee before you choose them. I'm AJ Palutis. I believe that you should take the next step and give me a call so we can discuss your case and plan strategy together, a winning strategy. Don't waste another minute wondering if you should call me. Remember, I guarantee that my help is totally free and my experience reaches into the strategy of your opponent. Together we can and will win. Call me today.
To contact AJ and get professional help as soon as possible, call 717-234-2401. Or for the fastest result, click on the HTTP URL below this video, answer a few quick questions, press send, and your name and phone number will be sent directly to AJ's smartphone. He will call you as soon as possible.